Hi, I'm Kerry. I'm the host of Best of Us Investors, and I've been in this business for many years. I'm a CFP, that's the certificate on the top, a CHFC, and a CLU. The CFP takes about 3 years to get, the other two about a year apiece. So I've got about 5 years of education. So I consider myself a doctorate of finance. And although I specialized in estate planning, I did a lot in investing, and I've learned a lot since I've been running my YouTube channel. And I know that a lot of you have never experienced the kind of market that we're in, the crash that we're in, that 20-30% and the indices, and in some cases 50% loss in the value of your portfolio. You've never experienced it before, and you don't know how to deal with it. And you wonder what's going to happen next. What should I expect this next week, next 1 month, next year? Well, there's some good in this storm, and that's what I compare it to. It's like a tornado. It's like a hurricane. If you've never been in one, you don't know what to expect. You don't know what the sounds are. You don't know what the winds mean. Well, that's true in the stock market as well. And I want to share with you my experience going through both the dot-com bubble most recently and the subprime crisis, and understanding what caused them and what the reaction was of the market, and then what, after the reaction is over, what is the reaction to the reaction. I want you to trust me that you will look back at this and you will say, I wish I knew that so that I could have taken advantage of this situation. And that's what I want to do. I want to do a live stream. I'm going to do it Monday on July the 11th at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I want to invite you to come. And I will be doing most of the talking, and I'll just share my experience and then tell you what I would suggest based on some different scenarios. And what I want to talk about here is, how do you dollar cost average, and then how do you deal with capital gains, or in many cases capital losses, and then when can you buy back in so that you can capture those capital losses. So these are some of the things that I think are important, that are overlooked when you're dealing in an up market. But we're not dealing in an up market. I trust we will, and I'll share my feelings on that as well. But I've been in this industry. I've been in these storms before, and I want to share my knowledge. And again, that is going to be on Monday, the 11th at 4 p.m. I'm going to put a link in the description so that you can find it and show up. And I'll share everything I've got, and then I'll invite you to join our tribe. I'll tell you more about that then. Hope to see you. Maybe I can make your life a little bit better.